Namaskar dosto. Today is 10th Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market, where in this specific video, on daily basis, I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, share my learning, and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope that these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So for today, Uh, our trade plan for Nifty was with mindset that Nifty is in consolidation phase between 15,000 and 15,300, and idea was to sell Nifty on rise, specifically keenly looking at three important points, which is pivot, H3 and H4. I was carrying two lot of Nifty with me. I did not book my lot on the first 15 bar, as I do not take any trade on the first 15 bar. Then I got out on this green bar. Then when I seen this red bar coming out, I took my entry here because it has taken a support resistance at pivot. I got out exactly at magical line, which was the consolidation boundary. Again took another entry, got out at previous day close, and then this was a nice profitable trade. Getting this out, the first yesterday's I did not book my profit for yesterday's gap up opening. Then, being greedy and impatient, I again wanted to take an entry here, but then I thought not to do this because I was busy with Bank Nifty, and I came out of this particular trade here. So that's what I did in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, uh, on the first half of the day, I did not take any trade, but then I started taking another position somewhere here on this red bars. I took multiple entry here, got hit multiple time. Then I again took when it reached here. I was pretty sure that Bank Nifty is going down and breaking this consolidation zone, and I took a PE. The reason why I thought like this was that Nifty and Bank Nifty both today did not cross the pivot line and actually took a supported pivot and came down. So if you have checked out my video yesterday, I had given a significance of pivot, that whenever in a if the market or any instrument is coming returning from the pivot in the direction of the trend, then that trend is strong. So I feel that now the downward trend is becoming much stronger. But what happened in past two bar, that is last half an hour, is very interesting. So if you see, these are the two big green bar. You will see them in Bank Nifty and also in Nifty. This is nothing but short covering. When market was on this border, I'm pretty sure Sari Dunya short pe thi. And then suddenly when it started moving up, all the weak beer or everybody's stop loss started hitting and the market went up. So these two bar may not give a right sign of the current condition of the market. That is what my philosophy is. So uh, I was just reviewing my trade and I realized that today, including some future stock and everything, I have taken close to around 52 trades. So I guess I'm going to go crazy. So these are my orders on Bank Nifty, and these are my trades on Nifty. So lots of trade, but overall positive day. I have taken my Bank Nifty PE home. I entered Bank Nifty PE here on this green bar. I got out and I again entered, and then eventually I decided to carry it home. So now I have around three lot of Bank Nifty which I'm carrying home. So since I had a good profitable day, I'm using that profit to see how things are gonna shape up for me tomorrow. So what's the learning for today? Learning for me today is, do not play with so many instruments. I took 52 trades today. That is too much. I'm putting wrong orders, so I need to be little careful on that side. So philosophy is take only two trades, two instrument trade in a day. Nifty, Bank Nifty, select one, and Hero Motocorp or Reliance, select one in future. So that is where I'm specializing. So one future lot and one Nifty or Bank Nifty. Let's not jump into managing many instruments. If I want, I should multiply my quantity. Second is try to reduce number of trades, and to do that is stop loss. I still keep on playing with my stop loss with the fear that I'm going to lose money. That is something which I need to control on. I'm finding it very difficult. Third is stick to trade plan. uh, and I don't know, I'm thinking about not carrying position home, but my experience, little bit experience what I have says that you make maximum money when you take position home. At the same time the risks are very high. So that's my learning. The important is two instrument, trade a day and reduce number of trade. Okay, so I that is what happened to me today. Now let's talk about tomorrow. So when we get into tomorrow, let's look into dollar index. So dollar index is again going down, so there's a good sign for emerging market. When we look into global market are showing some sign of weakness but almost flat. And Singapore Nifty is almost around 49 point down. I'm sorry. So that's also, you can say, flat. So nothing much we can take it from here, except that we see some sign of weakness. Now, when we look into Nifty, just let me get rid of this. Tomorrow is going to be an exciting day because tomorrow is an expiry. So I'm expecting lots of hangama tomorrow. Maybe a very big red bar. But let's not predict the market. Like all our guru says, don't predict the market. Idea here is to make money. So when we look into daily chart, our Nifty has shown two consecutive red candle. What does it mean is that this red candle closed below this green bar. This red candle closed below the closing of this previous day closing. So bulls are trying to pull the market up, but they are not finding the required strength, and the bears are pulling it down. Having said that, this candle has still not eaten up this particular green candle, so bulls are still have a control of the market. And if you see on moving averages, the closing is above all the significant moving average. So on daily basis, the trend is up, but market is overstretched, and phase of the market is consolidation. So market is consolidating between 15,000 and 15,300. For any significant trend to happen, Nifty has to break either 15,000 on the lower side or 15,300 on the upper side. Till then, market is in consolidation. On 15-minute chart, if you see, the closing is above 20, above 8. So this is an uptrend above the consolidation zone. But if you come with this theory that these last three bars are the short covering, then the closing is below 20 and below 8. So this is little tricky, but on chart what we see on 15-minute, it is in uptrend, and the phase of the market is consolidation. So for tomorrow, being an expiry, expect lots of choppiness. Be very careful. Pivot is 15084, so which is currently where the Singapore Nifty is, which is just above the 20 and 8 bar moving average. H3 is 15159 and H4 is 15211. 15159. So somewhere here, just above 50-day moving average, and 15211, and L3 and L4 for Nifty is 15053 and 15001. So 15008 tomorrow becomes a very strong support for Nifty. If 15008 is broken, then the next target is 14,900. 200-day moving average is 14,900. Yes, then the next target is 14,900. Tomorrow, this could be the day where we can see a very big red bar coming to 200-day moving average. What we need to be looking at is the pivot line 15084. See how the market is behaving at 15084. If 15084, if you see a reversal, Then is the sell on rise market. So tomorrow strategy is sell on rise at 15084. H3 is 15159 and 15211. Bank Nifty story remains the same. On daily basis, it is definitely an uptrend, but after a long time we have seen another one red bar, although not much significance. What it confirms that market is in consolidation between the range of 35,600 and 36,600, 1,000 point movement. I'm sorry. On 15-minute, again you see a very big short covering. So I am carrying my positions with me. Already those positions are in negative. And pivot for tomorrow is at 35,864. 35,864, which is closer to 20-day moving average. So let's see how it works out tomorrow. I think I will hold my position and I don't know. Means I have none of my theory proves here. It's about 20, above 8. So I don't know what's going to be my stop loss. So after 15 minutes, I will see if the market is going down. I will carry my position. If the market is going up, then I'll exit my position. That's what I will do. And the strategy for tomorrow is sell on rise. Pivot is 35,864. H4 and H3 are 36,092 and 36,312. 36,092, which is just above 200-day moving average. But I don't think so it will go there. It will move from pivot only. So pivot tomorrow is very critical. 35,864. 35,864. So for any chance if we have gap down below pivot, then that's the best case scenario for me. Sell on rise, it pivot. That's the strategy for tomorrow. Tomorrow is expiry, so be careful. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading ideas. If you want to know about my trade setup, then check out my video on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. Uh, Stay healthy. Jai Hind.